Okay, we just got up here on Saturday morning. Got the forklift fired up. I got a truck coming with a big load of lumber, and I don't know exactly where I'm going to put it just yet. Maybe I'm going to try to put some of it right there and some over there. I can't really block these SIPS panels. These guys are plugging along up here on this massive timber frame. We still got a ways to go. They're definitely going to be here into next week. He thought they were going to be out of here I think it was Thursday, but today's Saturday. It looks great. They're doing a great job with it. It looks really good. It's massive. I'll get around and get you guys a shot of the back there. Brent's in the crane. Good morning. Okay. All right, got them off, got it all off. Last load here. Carefully get out from under it without pulling it off the top. Mission accomplished. I'm gonna park right here. No, you're fine. You're okay. Busy Saturday. So that's all the lumber I just took off the truck. Luckily, they loaded it pretty nicely this time, so it really was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 picks to get it off the truck. That was nice. Was able to get it all off nice and clean. I think I tapped one of the joists with my forklift, but it's hard to see. Got it? So this is our second floor, actually the third floor, but we call it, the floor they're on now, we call that the main floor. And then there's another floor, and then there's actually another loft above that. So that's all for the deck. It's all here. Pretty much the whole house is here. So now we just got to put it all together. There's a lot going on over here with these. At least another, I say 4 or 5 days to get this up, but we'll see how fast it goes. All right, so timber guys got this front structure in. Ian and Brent are moving the crane. You guys taking the crane?
Yep, off to the next one.
Okay, so they just dropped a huge tree over there. I missed that. But we've got the front section is set. The side section here is set. So they fought this thing hard. They didn't get this section here because we need to get rid of that base, or we need to knife it into the I think we just need to get rid of it and do it how they did the others. I believe there's one there and one there. But here it is. It's very impressive. I love this angle off the back. It came out really good. Well, we made it out here to the track. Owen and Alex just took off. Mike's out there. Alan's out there. Homie's got to ride. Joey got to rip.
I got to rip. Yee! So much fun. Thanks to the boys.
Pretty sure they left all those monsters just for whoever to take however many they want.
Oh, really? Shit, fire it up. It's a nice view of freaking. Oh, these are the
It's a beautiful day. It's a little windy, but not too bad.
Not at all. Beautiful, sensational.
Yeah. Throw down some laps or what?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Well, everybody got to ride. Had a good day at the track. The annual locals day, so we're packing all the bikes up now. And I'm gonna ride the Husky back to the house. And Mike's gonna ride the KTM back to the house. And then we're gonna take the trailer down to the yard and get ready to get up at 4:30 in the morning and pour some concrete. So we got to have a little bit of fun on a Monday afternoon. The weather was pretty good, a little bit windy, but not too bad. And this Mammoth motocross track is something else to ride. You only get to do it once a year, so you take the time out to do it if you like to ride. Sadie and Bud are mad because they didn't get to go to the track. Me and Mike rode the 2 street legal bikes back. It's like a little pair of street legal ones that we have. They're plated. And they're a lot of fun. Hey, would you just piss on his tire? Oh my God. Frickin' Bud. Look out, Sadie. Get up. You gotta move. All right. You ready? You wanna get it? Go get it. Nope, she's gonna kill it. She's gonna kill it. All right. And you go again. All right, let's do it. Get it. There was another bird playing games. All the wild animals up here, they like to play games with you. Yeah, Bud's gonna play now too. All right, here we go. Ready? One more. Bud doesn't care. It's Sadie's game. Good morning, everyone. Today is pour day down at GTH. So we just popped into the office for a minute. Now I'm gonna head down there and see how that concrete's coming out. It's about 6:30. Sun's out already. Guys started at around 5. So one thing, also the neighbor over here, they have a damaged staircase. And I'm gonna meet Mike over here. Go take a look at it real quick before we head down there. So this is it. This thing got beat up in the snow. So what the owner just wants to remove it. So we're going to get the forklift over here We're gonna cut it loose from the top there, and we're gonna cut that loose there. We're probably gonna cut that railing off right there, that little return, and actually remount the railing in front of the sliding door up there. So we're deleting the stairs, but we're gonna keep the guardrail so that when you step off on the porch there, there's a little guardrail.